Alright, here we've got this Goodman Furnace. I'm not sure the exact model of it, but what has happened is my induced drive fan, I don't know if you can see it in there, it's going bad. If you listen closely, you can hear a little rattling. Now what had happened was the fan completely locked up on me a couple of days ago, and it wouldn't run at all, so the whole furnace wouldn't run. So all I heard was a buzzing noise, so I just killed the power. It was really cold that night. It was a bad situation. You can probably hear it now. So what I ended up doing, I was able to kind of work it free a little bit and use some graphite dry lube and just put it in the bearings, and it started going again. That was about 3 days ago. Clearly the bearings are failing and needs to be replaced. So what I did, I called around to the local stores. They wouldn't sell me anything because I'm not a EPA certified technician. I'm just a homeowner. So I went online and just bought one. Bought this on Amazon for like 86 bucks. So I don't know if it shows the model number on here. I don't think that's it. Anyway, I bought a new one, and now it's time to put it on. Alright, here's my new part. Again, I don't expect this to take long at all. I mean, as you can see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, possibly 5 bolts or screws or whatever. So it's like a nipple for a sensing line. And then you got your power. That's it. I don't expect it to take long at all, but we're gonna see. I've got it'll be in a 8 millimeter socket. Just happened to be a deep socket. You don't need a deep socket, it's just what I've got. But that actually is good. It gives me a little bit more reach. These are just regular old screws, but the head of them are 8 millimeter. Alright, the side one, can't get my drill in there. Let me find a ratchet. Got one of these little deals here, a ratcheting wrench. Got that screw out. There's one more on the other side. And from there, the assembly can just come off. Oh, we got this sensing line. I might just cut that so it's fresh. Hold on, Skylar. Look like there's some insulation. Now it's all over my fingers. Just put that on my table in there. Yeah. So the sensing line is very brittle. It just kind of came apart when I tried to pry it off. So I'm gonna cut it clean so I can shove it onto the new one. See one? The old one. Just is what it is, I guess. See if I can get one in here. Start it. I do it with my socket. It's coming along just fine. Sorry about my daughter in the back. Alright, got all my screws in. Take this little sensing line. I mean, these are wire cutters, but I'll be able to get through this just fine. So I'll cut that off cleanly. Push that down over the little nipple here. Okay, and now the power on the other one, it was here and here. So I was gonna just hook them up just like that. On here, it's a upper and a lower. It doesn't really let me know which is which, so if I have it the wrong way, it's just gonna spin backwards. And I'm gonna have to do a little trial and error to make sure the thing is going forward. It's gonna be very important. If it's spinning backwards, it won't be expelling your carbon monoxide through your flute and out of your chimney, which should obviously kill you. So this is a critical step to make sure the fan is actually spinning the right way. I believe clockwise is going to be the right way, but we're going to have to do a little bit of checking here. Alright, now here's one issue. My wire is not even long enough to reach this one, this white one. So I'm gonna put the white one on the bottom and hope that's the right way, because if it's not, I'm gonna have to, you know, maybe add some wire. Alright, I use a pair of, hold on Skylar, hold on, put that down. Let's use a pair of vice grips to gently hold down this switch. This is the safety switch, so you can't start it with the door off. I want to start it with the door off so I can see the which way this fan is turning and do what I need to do. So this is definitely, you don't want to do stuff like this if you're unsure about it. You definitely don't go sticking your hand in places and start touching wires together when it's like this. It's set up like this for a reason. Alright, so we've got power back. I'm gonna go bump up the heat a little bit and see if I can get this thing to kick on. Alright, now it's running. Now I want to try to see which direction it's running using this. Alright, so you can see here, as soon as I put this paper up to it, it drags it this way. So it lets me know it's going clockwise. And I'm gonna go ahead and kill this. And I'm gonna confirm that clockwise is the way that this is supposed to turn. And after that, I'm done. Alright, I've actually just got a quick idea of how to check. These are the exact same models. This looks like it's got a little deal out here, this one don't. But they're the same fan, same model number and everything. So, going like this, clearly, it's moving this clockwise. So when I spin the fan, I can feel the air coming out. It's coming out here. So it would be sucking in the air through here, spitting it out through the flute there. So if it was going the wrong way, it would actually be sucking air through here and pushing it through the furnace, and then CO2, carbon monoxide would be going everywhere. So clockwise is in fact the way it's supposed to go. I can feel that air coming out real nicely. So we're done. Alright, we're all the way back together, and everything's working just fine. Did not take too long at all. And one thing I just wanted to say, whenever this went bad on me, I was doing research and online, and this guy was saying how a HVAC company came out and his stuff was kind of seizing up. And the only thing they did was spray some lube in there and kind of get it going again. They charged him $300 to do that, and they told him it was a temporary fix and it's going to need to be replaced. And they told him it was going to be $1,050 to replace that. I replaced mine for $83 or $86. Well, it was $130. I did do the super fast shipping, which was an extra $40, but so $130 I did mine. So just wanted to throw that in there. We're all done. I installed this whole house humidifier, I think 2 years ago. I should have made a video on that, but it's been working nicely. As you can see, my humidity is 33%. I need to change the water panel right now, but it's still working.